So I own a bunch of shot glasses and I don't have any place to put them. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and build myself a nice display case since I couldn't really find anything in the stores or online that I liked. So I've already gone ahead and built up a display case using 1x3 pine and these 1/4 inch shelf boards that are 2.5 inches wide. You can get these at Lowe's. In the same aisle you get molding and the whatnot. So I've also gone ahead and painted it to match what I've already painted in the office, so my entire office is the same kind of off-white color. One of the things I'm trying to figure out is how I'm going to put doors on this thing, because I want to keep it from collecting lots of dust, so I don't have to dust out the glasses once they're all up. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to start making some doors here, and you can see I've already put together the first one. This is the piece that's not painted right here. So that piece right there, it's just some, again, got it in the molding aisle. I've trimmed out the inside of that so I can put some plexiglass in there, which I have, and we'll show you that later when I get to that part. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to have the doors for each section. So I'm going to have 4 doors that I'm going to put on, very lightweight, and we're going to use magnets to keep them on. I don't want any hinges or anything showing, so try and minimize the dust that's in there. So that's how we're doing it. You can see right here I've got my next door ready to go. We've got that clamped up and while it's drying. So here you see I've got already pieces cut for that last door. I've already rabbited out these pieces. You can see here's a longer piece that I'm going to use for the door. So that's going to be one edge, one of the longer edges there, and I'll cut those down, and then we'll glue all that together, paint it, and then we'll put the plexiglass in, and then we'll finally put the magnets on that I got. So we'll be back. Okay, we're back, and I drilled the holes for the magnets here, so you can see I've already put some glue in them. I left one open here, so we can get that one in here. And you can see the last one here, we actually got the door with the plexiglass in there, so the plexiglass is in that. I don't know if you can see that. You see reflection. So that's how it's going to go on. We're going to attach the other side of the magnet to the back of that door, and they'll be able to slide off pretty easily. Weight down on the plexiglass, keep the glue on it, and we'll get those done here pretty soon. And here I'm just putting on a flashing that I got for the backing. So we're just using just drilling through the tin with the bit and getting the nails in. So putting that down, finish that off, and then we'll get it up.